Hey, good morning, everybody. We broke our camp up and we're sitting out here with Dan, our host, having a great breakfast with some coffee and tea. Cheers, everybody!
Cheers. Morning!
Woohoo! How'd you sleep last night?
Cold. I forgot my Long Johns.
Like a baby. I slept like I was in a house.
House? Tent site. Where are we going today?
West.
All right, sounds good. Thanks for hosting us, Dan. This is awesome.
More than welcome. I'm glad to have you.
So we're here at Dan's house, and Steve pulls up behind me when we were almost here and goes, "Hey man, you got a big old screw in your tire." How did they get the accent right?
Yeah, it was screw.
So we got to do a quick fix-a-flat before we get on the trail. Oh, sweet! It didn't go through. This is awesome. Well, that was awesome. Thank you so much to Dan and Andrea for their incredible hospitality. Gave us a great place to camp last night here in Morehead City and brought us coffee and tea in the morning. It was so nice. They are on Bunka Biker, and I love Bunka Biker. It's a great place to find motorcycle friendly people. We hung out and talked to Dan all morning about his bikes and our travels and just, you know, fun guy stuff about motorcycles and life. So anyway, that was a wonderful stay, and now we are headed to the ocean so we can get our start on the TransAmerica Trail. Look at that. Beautiful. Sun is out. This is going to be a gorgeous day of riding. We're heading over to Emerald Isle, which is a barrier island just off of Morehead City. And from there, we'll get a glimpse of the Atlantic Ocean before we start heading west towards the Pacific. Hey, we made it to the beach. Awesome. You ready to get going?
Indeed.
Is it cold?
No. It was last night. It's not that bad.
All right. Let's go.
We're doing it.
All the restaurants are closed, which means that we get our food and sit on the front steps.
The outdoor dining area.
Ooh, which way do I go? I think I go this way. Farmers in the back lots, like plowing their fields. You know, and those big beautiful mansions from the old days when farming was the big exporter from this area, and right next to it will be a tiny little single wide trailer proudly displaying its American flag. You know, I mean, no judgment, nobody cares. It's just the real America. You know, this is people country. You know, it's not like the little microcosms of major cities. It's out where the real Americans live. We've been going down these dirt roads and the backcountry roads, going over streams and fields, and seen hawks diving and grabbing grasshoppers and just all kinds of stuff. It's been absolutely amazing. Another cute church. Look at that. Really neat to kind of see a different part of America. You know, when you're hurtling down the highway and all you see is neon signs and gas stations and restaurants. It's really nice to see a little more about what America's really about. Not just the big box of stores. Look at that beautiful home. Another gorgeous one over here. Fields ready to be planted. Looks like some chicken coops up there. It's been awesome, and it's been a gorgeous day. Everybody has these gorgeous little fences and flowers and gardens and obviously take great pride in their houses and their homes. Take good care of them. Anyway, been a beautiful day for riding. Couldn't have asked for anything better. This is cool. Hello, cows. I think I found our spot.
Where are we?
Middle of nowhere.
Hey, this is how I grew up, dude. Kinston.
Yeah?
Yeah, like, what is it, 45 minutes down the road? So me and my dad used to go to this little teeny tiny barber shop. It was about this big. And over in the corner was one of those Coke machines where you had to pull the door open and you had to pull the chunk chunk.
Yeah?
And it was 25 cents. And it was an assortment of sodas. And there was a large Coke and a small Coke, and they both cost the same. My dad would put the quarter in, I would get the large one. He would shut the door, he would put a quarter in, open the door. He would get the small one. I said, Dad, you're getting the small one, you get the big one. He says, I'm not going to drink it, son, and I'm not wasteful.
Got something for you, buddy.
All right.
Do you wanna be a bad man? Yes, you do. Do you wanna taste sweet salvation underneath the summer moon? Do you need another hand now? Yes, you do. Go see Miss Joseph down on Columbus Avenue. Down in the city, there's a place that never sleeps. You can see it all up past 57th Street. Music is hot and the drinking there's free. It'll turn you upside down before you count to three. Go see Miss Joseph down on Columbus Avenue. Alright, Columbus Avenue.
Our butts are sore, but it's been a beautiful day of riding. It's just been gorgeous, and we've loved these roads. We're gonna stop at the Heritage Family Campsite for tonight to get a shower and feel refreshed and ready to go tomorrow. Oh, look at our welcoming committee. Hi, woman girl. Hi, you're so pretty.
Oh, is that the spot? Scratch the spot. Yeah, scratch that spot. Oh, yes, 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 yes.
What's your name?
Marissa.
Hi, Marissa. Marissa is our welcoming committee. She's gonna lead us to our campsite.
You are at the Heritage Camping and Recreation in Carthage.
She had to think about it for a minute.
I live up front.
How-
I had to think of it.
How's your butt? How's your butt doing?
Flat. It's flat.
No longer rounded?
Completely flat.
But I'm gonna hand you this. You don't all three have to do it. One of you, if you just fill that out for us, and I'll come back.
Could you hand that to a responsible one?
Oh, she picks me.
I didn't want to pick it.
I'm talking about. Far.
We're getting ready for some
Look at that noise.
Oh yeah.
It's like real grub, not trail mix.
This is called cooking two things at once. Boiling water and warming up the chili.
Shake and bake, baby.
What's that? Garlic salt.
Just a pinch.
Just a pinch.
It's great because just once you photograph the wedding, you're talking maybe 4 or 5 emails, and your customer gets around and it's done.
Yeah.
And that's the
Efficiency, man. Efficiency.